At yan ang ating starting lineup for both teams. Napakapuno ng Sawang Calero Cebu City Sports Institute as the Impact Ballers will go up against the J Project Boomers. Here we go, tip-off. J Project Boomers start with the opening possession of the game, but that's a nice rejection inside. Defensive stop by Impact to start this ball game. Turnaround J. That's Lucian on the miss. Here come the Boomers. And it's Chog Moral with the basketball. A long three to start this one. Grabe ang hiyawan ng ating fans here. Moral gets the offensive rebound. The pass inside to Derek Duterte. Can't get it to go. And he gets the putback. And that's your Palarong Pambansa 2026 MVP, Derek Duterte. But on the other end, it's called for a walk. Turnover for Impact Ballers, but the energy in this gym is something else. Chog. Handoff. Three-point shot. Won't go. Rebound. May Tamandong. Santos kicks it out to the corner. A three-point shot. Won't fall. Rebound. Edvil Mundas. Derek Duterte. Coast to coast. Wala. Lucian, nice pass. Extra feed inside. First 2 points ng Impact Ballers. That's Justin Rain Santos. Para sa mga naka-blue of the Impact Ballers. Tabla tayo at 2. Duterte is fouled. Itong J Project Ballers, they are fresh off of a win yesterday. A dominating win, I should say. Ngayon, it's a different story to write as Derek Duterte again inside the paint. How do you stop that shot inside? Three-pointer from the top of the key. Rattles out. Chog Moral the rebound. Quarterback pass ahead. Extra feed. And it's Derek Duterte again with a great pass from Inescas. 6-2 ating score. Pineda. Lucian. Step back three. From Narca won't go. Balik sa J Project ang bola. Once again, this is the 19 under division. Ang ating Junior World Showcase ng Sinag Liga Asia. To Duterte, picked from behind. Narca with a steal and a quick take foul by Chog Moral to stop the fast break.
Foul number 71 is KJ Moral. That's his first personal foul. J Project Boomers.
Unang foul ni Chog, unang foul ng Boomers. Lucian spins his way inside and around Derek Duterte. Kenji Lucian on the finish. Makes it 4-6. Moral fakes the pass. Oh, beautiful feed to Duterte who gets fouled. Dalawang free throw. And it's the connection between Chog Moral and Derek Duterte on display early in this first quarter.
That's his first.
The timing on that pass. Di pinasa kaagad. Waited for the defender. Na lumapit ng konti and then drop it off to Derek. For a quick 2 points from the stripe. Pineda against Guevara. Stolen away. And a layup on the break by Ilescas. That forces Impact Ballers to call a timeout with 4:28 remaining in quarter number 1. We'll be right back after the break. Back to the ball game tayo mga kaibigan. It's 4-10. Halfway through quarter number 1. Mataas ang press ng J Project Boomers. Mundas picking up Narca. They go to the corner. Stripped by Chog Moral. Moral running the break. Gets picked from behind. Asking for a whistle. It's 3-on-1 on the break. And Santos on that finish. Steal na naman from the side of Impact Ballers. Narca puts it up and back-to-back baskets. Timeout ulit, this time from the side of J Project. We'll be right back after the short break. Back to our ball game here at the Cebu City Sports Institute. May courtside report tayo for this first quarter from Princess Hernandez. Princess, anong update dyan?
Tough team, enhanced players. These have been the words of head coach Phil Jimena when asked to describe the J Project Boomers. Despite spending time together for just 5 days, the team is solid, he says, pointing to high game IQs combined together, to which the Cebu City Sports Institute are witnessing right now. And on the hardwood today, we have the big three. As per coach, they have Direk Duterte, and strong, Ed Mundas, versatile, and of course, Chog Morales, special player. Now, Rode, what do you have from the Impact Ballers?
Over here, Princess, before the first quarter has started, head coach of Impact Baller Luisan Buenaventura sees J Project as the team to beat. Even with so much pressure in the court and from the sidelines, they're seeing this as an opportunity to play against seasoned players from the opposing team. For his big three, he beamed with pride that Miguel John Narca, Uno Pineda, and Justin Santos are his bravest and most energetic. We'll see as these teams play their hearts out. Balik sa'yo, Jericho Radaza.
Thank you very much. Yun pala, dalawang sunod-sunod na report from our courtside Chicadoras for this ball game. Thank you very much, Princess and Rode. Lumalaban itong ating Impact Ballers, but Chog Moral on the other end lobs it to Ilescas, who could not catch it.
Substitution.
Three minutes 40 remaining in quarter number 1. And nice crossover move there by Santos para maitawid ang bola across half court. Parami pa ng parami ang mga tao dito sa Cebu City Sports Institute. As a steal there, Domingo throws it ahead to Derek Duterte. Lays it up and he gets it to go. Double digits na ng scoring. Ito si Derek Duterte. Foul away from the ball. Pineda gets past the trap, but it's a steal. Ilescas. Domingo goes inside. Bounce to Derek Duterte. Kinalabaw! And he gets that deuce to go. Derek Duterte has just been on fire inside the paint. Nasa kanya. Siya yung may-ari ng paint in this first frame. Wala. Ilescas, nice pass. Domingo finger roll. Swabing-swabe. As it's now a double-digit lead with 2 minutes remaining in quarter number 1. Lumobo na sa 10 ang Kalamangan. Santos puts it up. He's fouled. He's called for the walk. And it's J Project ball. And a chance to extend the lead. Boholano will check into the ball game for the J Project Boomers. Tatlong team fouls for both squads. And it's Domingo. Screen by Derek Duterte. They go to the wing. Manawag inside. Napalakas lang ng konti. And here come Impact Ballers. Pineda for 3. Yes, sir. It's good. 1, 2, 3 for Uno Pineda. Boholano. Kinalabaw. Can't get it to go. Approaching the final minute dito sa ating first quarter. Thought about that 3. Jacinto, they go to the corner, steal. Domingo, running the floor for J Project. 4 on 3 on the fast break. Sinarile, can't get it to go. Pineda pulls up from downtown. Nakatres na siya kanina. And he gets another one to fall. 1, 2, 3. Pangalawang tres na niyan ni Uno Pineda. Boholano amongst the trees. Put back there by Derek Duterte. And he just lives in the paint. 20-14 ang ating score. Wala nang shot clock. The drive inside. Off-legged floater. That's Uno Pineda once again. 5 seconds to work. Domingo drives inside. Rejected. And that's it for the first quarter of action. The J Project Boomers lamang 20-16 at the end of one. You're watching the Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase. We'll be back after the break. Welcome back to the live coverage of the Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase. Back to the ball game tayo, pangalawang quarter. Lumalaban. Ito ang ating Impact Ballers. They're down by just 4. Heading into quarter number 2. And here we go. If you're liking our basketball coverage, please do like and share the live stream and follow us on our social media platforms at Sinag Liga Asia. Para ma-updated din naman kayo dito sa ating Junior World Showcase. We're at day 3 of 5. And malapit na tayo sa playoffs. So, follow for more updates as Ryzen Boholano gets that deuce. And for J Project, it's all about points in the paint. They're just owning that part of the court so far. Santos. There's a foul away from the ball. Sideline inbound tayo. With 14 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Good defense. Steps out of bounds. Ball stays. Six seconds to shoot for the Impact Ballers. Narca. 3 segundo. He has to fire one up. Step back, Jay. Napasobra lang ng pasa. Clock recognition wasn't there. And it's a turnover for the Impact Ballers. Domingo directing traffic. The drive inside. Ooh, what a move. Johari Domingo skying high amongst the trees, extending the lead to 8. Seron from the elbow, wala. Mamawag the rebound, throws it ahead to Ryzen Boholano. Beautiful pinpoint pass to make it a 10-point game. Narca going inside, finger roll. Gets it to go. Ranieses to the other side. Cross court. And Mamawag just throws it away. Turnover from the side of J Project. They're up 8 right now. It's a 6-2 run dito sa ating second quarter. Narca. Nice pass to the baseline. Drive inside. Rejected by Ali Mamawag. Says, not in my house. Timeout tayo from the side of the Impact Ballers. Balik tayo after this short break. Back to the ball game po tayo ngayon at the Cebu City Sports Institute, and sasamahan ulit tayo ng nag-iisang presidente ng Sinagliga Asia, Sir Ray Alao. Sir Ray, good afternoon once again. Tayo na naman nandito sa panel, and it's an honor to have you once again.
Yes, good afternoon everyone. Lalo-lalo na sa mga nandito sa Sawang. Grabe, punong-puno tayo ngayon dito.
Oo.
Wow, sobrang wow talaga. Dahil ito sa pangunguna ni Boss John Linogon, siyempre, J Project, kinuha niya yung mga star player from palarong pambansa, from Gilas, Pilipinas. Grabe. Thank you, Boss Jun.
Oo, tama ka dyan. Thank you very much for the support. And grabe, nagsisiksikan dito sa Cebu City Sports Institute. Kasi naman, nandito yung ating mga social media sensation or basketball player na si Chog Moral.
Yes, totoo yun. Actually, nasa Cebu Coliseum ako kanina. Naiya nga ako kay Direk Nomar kasi sabi ko na naunang nag-call sa akin si Direk Billy para dito sa Sawang Calero. Siyempre, kung sino nauna, doon tayo tatakbo.
Oo. Shout out pala, Direk Nomar.
Yes, hindi ko akalain na ganito na, sobrang punong-puno na. Alam mo, kanina pa kami sa labas, hindi kami makapasok sa dami ng tao sa labas.
Oo, talaga ba?
Yes,
Wow.
nakakaya kasi buti na lang dumating yung mga kapulisan natin na nag-guide sa amin para makapasok kami dito ngayon.
Yeah, that's right. 21-29 ang ating score. Halfway point ng ating fourth quarter. The Impact Ballers get a stop.
Ayun, siyempre. Kung makita nyo yung mga galawan ng mga bata na to, ibang-iba. Talagang sarap panoorin. Kaya siguro ganito karami ang mga tao ngayon dito.
That's right, Domingo. Skying high. Yun nga lang, can't get it to go. Mamawag puts it back up. Wala pa rin. Pero yun nga, Sir Ray, palapit na tayo sa playoffs, kaya mas intense itong laro ng ating mga bata.
Yes, actually, siyempre, kahit sino kailangan nilang manalo. Hindi pwedeng matalo sila dahil bukas, malalaman na natin kung sino yung makapasok para sa mapalapit na finals natin.
Oo, laglagan na. I mean, ang bilis ng oras. Day 3 na tayo dito sa ating Junior World Showcase. Kaya, pasalamat rin kami sa iyo, Sir Ray, dahil ang daming bracket, ang daming age bracket, at daming bata na makikita on the live stream.
Yes, para to sa mga gusto makapanood sa kanila ng live, para ma-scout sila, makuha sila sa mga other school or other league.
Oo.
Nakakatuwa na makatulong tayo sa mga ganitong kagagaling na bata.
That's right, a no-look pass from Domingo to Ali Mamawag. Ngayon, 10 points ulit ang kalamangan ng J Project Boomers with 3 minutes. May gusto ka pang batiin na hindi mo pa nabati yesterday?
Actually, parang bigla akong nawala. Dahil ang daming gusto magpabati, nakakalimutan ko. Pero siyempre, unang-una, si Boss John Linugon, di ba, Vicente, na siya ang gumawa ng paraan para makuha niya yung mga star-studded na bata dito sa J Project team niya.
Oh, that's right. Narcado on the other end for the Impact Ballers. Gusto nilang bumalik sa larong ito. As a 3-point shot won't go. Fast break opportunity. Pico on the other end, and he says bye-bye on the breakaway. And the layup is there. 14 na. Sir Ray, ito na yung pinakamalaking kalamangan. Kanina, back and forth lang sila ng Impact Ballers. Ngayon, 14 points na ang kalamangan ng J Project.
Ganun talaga eh. Alam mo naman yung mga ganito ka-team na ganyan kagagaling yung mga player. Talagang una, binabasa nila yan first quarter, second quarter, pagdating ng third, lalo na, and fourth, pakpukan na talaga dahil, siyempre, ayaw na rin nila magpatalo dahil yung mga pangalan nila, bukod sa malalaki, tapos galing pala sila sa mga iba-ibang school din.
Pero on the side rin ng Impact Ballers, mahaba pa rin naman. May 2 quarter ka pa. So, pwede pang bumalik sa larong ito.
Yes, actually may kausap ako kahapon, kagaya ng what you call this, taga-Canada and Las Vegas. Happy daw yung mga players
Oo.
na nagpunta din sa Pilipinas para sumama dito sa Junior World Showcase natin. Bakit kamo? Kasi nakalaban nila ang isang Chog Moral ng Gilas, Pilipinas.
Oo, tama ka dyan, sir. As basket there finally for Impact Ballers. But on the other end, ang bilis ng takbo ng laro. Pico fading away. Not that time. Pero matanong ko lang, Boss Ray, kumusta yung mga laro sa Cebu Coliseum?
Sa Cebu Coliseum, nandun yung mga 13 under, 15 under. Kasi after nyan, lahat ng finals, doon na natin gaganapin.
Oo. Kaya narinig niyo yan from Sir Ray himself, ang mga finals ng ating Junior World Showcase doon na sa Cebu Coliseum. Pero ngayon, dito sa Cebu City Sports Institute, ang ating parang main event, no? Tama.
Siyempre, kailangan lahat ng gym dito sa Cebu, mapagbigyan natin, maikot yung mga player na kagaya nila. Chok Moral, nila Duterte,
Oo.
nila Mundas, di ba?
Oo.
Actually, nakakatawa dahil hindi lang sila yung kagaya ng ibang player na parang mainit dyan sa sawang. Dito tayo sa Cebu Coliseum para aircon. Walang angal.
Oo.
Basta sila basketball lang para sa mga tao na naghihintay sa kanila.
Game na game talaga as Narca switches through from downtown. Ito, huling minuto ng ating first half. Chog, no-look dish. Napalakas lang ng konti.
Totoo yun. Pero kita mo naman, pagpasok ng Chok Moral, lahat ng vlogger naka-ready na yung cellphone.
Oo. Ready na yung ating pang-reels.
Nakakatawa no?
Oo, daming nakaka-video. Kanina nga nasa likod ko. Oo, dumadami na pala.
Meron din Actually, likod, harap.
Oo.
Hindi ko na alam kung saan ako titingin sa dami ng tao.
That's right, 3 seconds on the shot clock. Narca has to fire away. Nice pass inside. Yun nga lang, hindi lang naipasok. Here comes J Project the other way. Pass to Chok Moral, intercepted.
Nakakawa yung mga tao sa labas. Sobrang init, hindi sila makapasok.
Grabe.
Pero nakapila pa rin. Kaya lang, ang tingin ko wala nang lalabas dito. Dahil siyempre pag lumabas ka, hindi ka na rin makakapasok.
Oo. Siniguro yung pwesto eh. May ano pa dyan sa taas, pero mahirap na.
Actually, meron pa doon sa taas eh.
Oo.
Pwede naman atang lumakad sila or umurong. Pwede natin ipa-announce mamaya sa panel or,
Officials table.
Yes, nasa table na sa kabila. Para lang mapaurong yung mga tao at mapabigyan yung mga nasa labas. Kasi sobrang init sa labas.
That's right. Pangalawang free throw. Una pa lang yan, and it's good.
Siyempre, habang nag-free throw, shoutout ko mga taga-shuttle nanonood ngayon
Oo.
Di ba? Maricel and Alan Cabrunero. Grabe yung pamilya niyang mahilig sa sports. Biro mo, nasa shuttle, pinapanood ko ngayon.
Yun talaga yung dedication sa basketball. Wala nang shot clock. 12 seconds to go. They go to the corner. Fakes the three. Spins. Puts it up. Finger roll is there.
Grabing move yun.
That's Ehurango on the finish. At yan, ang ating second quarter. 41-30 ang ating score heading into quarter number 3. Once again, you're watching the Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase. Balik tayo after this short break.
Hello mga kasinag, this is Princess Barbiel and with me here are two of the big three of J Project Boomers, Direk Duterte and Chog Moral. First and foremost, Chog, thank you for giving us little of your time. How are you finding the game so far?
Okay lang sa akin and siguro sa mag-step up pa kami sa second half then yung game namin sa first quarter and parang parang wala kaming gana eh. Like di naman sa yung parang masyado kaming relax masyado and sabi nga ni coach na huwag kami mag-relax and para sa second half as
Now, Chog, can you elaborate more on how you will be stepping up on the second half?
gagawin ko lang yung role ko and yun lang.
Now, anyone you would like to thank or give a shout out to?
Sa tatlo sa family ko sa Pampanga and kay Vice Go, Dennis Delta Pineda.
Salamat, Chog. And of course, Direk, salamat sa paghihintay. Kamusta naman ang laro mo so far?
Okay naman po at nabibigyan ako ng kumpiyansa ng mga teammate ko and yung mga crowd din, yun po nagpapagana sa akin kaya nakakapuntos din po ako.
Now, Direk, we head into the second half. What can we expect from you?
Siguro po yung second half namin, babawasan namin yung turnover namin at magko-communicate kami. Sobrang daming turnover namin sa first half, yun lang po. Kailangan namin manalong game na to.
Lastly, anyone you would like to thank or give a shout out to?
Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat ako kay God dahil napunta po ako dito ng safe at kila Boss June, kila Boss Ray, kila Coach Jasper Magno at sa family ko and sa mga teammate ko and coaches ko, yun lang po.
Salamat direct. And for the both of you, thank you once again. There you have it. This is SLA. We will be back.
We're back to the ball game here. If nag-enjoy kayo sa ating live stream, please do like and share this stream. And please do follow us on our social media pages, Sinag Liga Asia on Facebook and Instagram, at Sinag Liga Asia TV on our YouTube and TikTok, para ma-update naman kayo dito sa ating Junior World Showcase. Palapit na tayo sa ating playoffs and the third quarter is underway. 3-point shot from Guevara, swishes through. Yun, ang dali ng ating first basket. Boss Ray.
Seryoso na.
Oo nga. Tingnan natin kung makakabalik itong Impact Ballers. They're down 11 to start the third. Ngayon, balik sa 14 ang Kalamangan. Nice move. Spin.
Bilang, siyempre, dito ka sa area na to, Visayas, di ba? Mindanao, ganyan. Ano masasabi mo na nandito sa Cebu, itong mga di-calibre player na to?
Maganda talaga na makikita as personal. Kasi iba yung makikita mo sa personal eh. So, ma-inspire ang ating mga young hoopers na galingan ng kanilang practice, yung kanilang laro, para matulad rin sila. Chog Moral, Derek Duterte, at may career rin sa basketball. There's a miss there, a put back, and the shot goes down. Third time is the charm.
Grabe yung pasana yun. From Chog Moral, rebound, pinasa niya, tapos ang ganda ng assist ulit, hindi lang shoot, follow up naman ni Panaligan.
That's right. Kick out to the corner. Tumira ng tres. Itong Impact Ballers in the bounce is there for Buenaventura.
Yan ang maganda, di ba? Kahit na puro superstar ang mga kalaban mo, laban ka lang para ma-showcase mo rin yung talent mo.
Oo. Baka may makikita pa sa'yo as another 3-point shot from Guevara sa kabilang side naman.
Kaya lang, ang problema talagang baka shoot ka man, babawian ka agad at 3 points din, di ba? Ang
That's
bigat ng
right.
laban.
Narca with a step back, pull up J from the right elbow, rattles out to the rim, and here come J Project Boomers.
Mga fresh kasi ng palarong pambansa itong mga bata na to. Tapos si Chog Moral from Batang Gilas.
Yes.
Wala pa si Mundas dyan.
Oo. Nasa bench pa. Itong si Edville Mundas, wala pa nga ang puntos in that first half. Pero tingnan natin kung may puntos itong si Mundas sa second half.
Ay nako, mapapahay nako ka na lang dahil yung mga tao dito, hindi mo minsan marinig pagka yung pito ng referee. Di ba? Dahil sa dami nila.
Oo nga.
Maganda. Talagang nakikisama rin sila. Alam mo yun, hindi nila ginugulo yung mga harang, di ba? Kaya yung mga bata gusto makapasok, talagang sumusunod sila kung ano yung rules ng mga
Oo.
nagbabantay dito. And especially sa mga kapulisan natin, maraming salamat po sa inyo.
That's right.
Cebu City, mabuhay po kayo, Mayor.
Thank you very much. As another basket for both teams naman. Inside the paint na naman tayo kanina. Papalit-palit ng tres eh. Ngayon, inside the paint naman yung mga baskets.
Yes, actually, itong mga to, talagang itong J Project, alam na nila kung ano mga gagawin nila kahit ngayon pa lang silang sama-sama. Itong kabila naman, siyempre, matagal na silang magkakasama sa isang team. Alam na din nila kung ano yung mga play na pwede nilang gawin.
That's right. As Narca on the other end scores another deuce. Kasi itong Impact Ballers kanina, they had a 17-under matchup. Panalo yung kanilang team. Kasi against Last Shot Dubai, ngayon naman, nahihirapan silang umiscore against this J Project side as Chog Moral is fouled on the drive.
Siyempre, pag si Chog Moral na may hawak ng bola, kailangan mong bantayan, di ba? Hindi mo kailangan palusutin. Kasi
Oo.
challenge sa yun.
Binabantayan na nga ng ating mga fans na may mga cellphone eh. As we have a courtside report from both Rod Day and Princess. Anong update dyan?
In every basketball team, not only do they have a winning formula, but also those that keep them steady and focused. After a tough team as J Project Boomers, who has many eyes on them, to be reminded of their goal and role are the keys. Wala namang mahirap ipagawa sa team, Coach said, because they have the skills and attitude for the game. Right now, Derek Duterte, 2026 parang pambansa MVP from Angono Rizal, is leading the pack, already contributing 16 points as of speaking. Now, from the Impact Ballers, what do you have there, Rode?
Ang ganap naman dito, Princess, the Impact Ballers seems that they are heavily guarding J Project Boomers with their previous matches. There was a lack of chemistry. However, they realized, as team captain Nuno Pineda, who also represented the Pasig 3x3 basketball team in 2024, stated that trust is needed for each other. With Justin Santos currently contributing most points for the team, their chemistry is now flourishing. Even with unpredictable outcomes, lalaban pa rin daw sila. Back to you, Jericho.
Thank you very much, Rode and Princess. Yeah, tama nga yun, sabi nila, Boss Ray, na unpredictable talaga itong basketball. Bilog ang bola, ika nga.
Yes, tama yun eh. Parang ganito lang kasimple yan. Kahit nasabi mong underdog ka o for superstar mga kalaban mo, kailangan lumaban ka. Dahil bakit? Malay mo naman, maganda ilaro mo. May mga nag-scout na iba, ikaw naman ang mapili. Dahil sila, may mga school na yan.
That's right, tama ka dyan, Boss Ray. On the other side, Pineda with a three-pointer. Itong si Pineda kanina pa.
Yeah, kita mo yung Pineda na yan. I-showcase ko yung laro ko. Di ba? Yun, Pineda ang apelido niya. Siyempre, shoutout natin. Vice Governor Pineda ng Pampanga. Maraming salamat sa pagpayag kay Chog Moral. At siyempre, ang Gilas Pilipinas team. Na yung mga tao kasi nagulat kahit nandito yung batang to dahil siyempre, nasa Gilas Pilipinas to ng 18 under.
Pero kahit pa paano, makakondisyon pa rin itong si Chog Moral kasi magaganda itong mga larong to eh.
Actually, mag-audition ko talaga sa init dito sa Sawang Kalero. Di ba?
Yun nga.
Shoutout, Mayor.
Kahit mainit, marami pa ring tao. Kaya dahil gusto nila makita yung kanilang mga idol as the Impact Ballers pushing the pace 2-on-2. Ating fast break. The pull-up J from Narca won't go. Chog Moral with the basketball. Chog inside. Kick out. 3 from the corner. Yes, sir! Yun!
Mapapahiya ka sa pag-audition eh. Galing kay Chog Moral yun.
Oo. No pressure. Sabi nga. But little entanglement there. Out of bounds. Punta sa J Project. Balik ang bola. Yun nga, ganda ng pasa dun. From Chog Moral to the other side. That's a 3. Oh, 16 na ang ating kalamangan.
Yeah, actually, yung shooter sa Chog Moral linabas, pinasok naman si Mundas.
Yun, parang hindi lang napalitan. Parang pinalitan lang yung battery.
Yes. Parang hindi na lobat.
Oh, nice move there by Johari Domingo. Nag-drawing pa siya sa ere.
Kagaya ng Domingo na yan, di ba? Kailangan, hindi lang kayo ang ma-highlight dito, ako din. Dapat gano'n ang mentality.
Oo, ganda ng laro ni Domingo kahapon pa doon sa USC.
Yes, as a player, dapat talaga magpakita ka. Hindi pwedeng itago mo sa bahay mo yung talent mo.
That's right. Nice pass inside.
Woo!
And an easy
Kaya
deuce.
yan, malaki siya, pero marunong siya pumasa. Parang Magic Johnson, di ba?
Oo, yan na kasi yung basketball ngayon eh.
na.
Dapat alam mo lahat. Kahit anong height mo.
Yung mga big man nga ngayon, nagti-3 points na eh.
Speaking of big man, Duterte fading away. This time, finesse ang kanyang ginagamit. Kanina, kinalabaw eh. Ngayon, with a soft touch on that fadeaway jumper.
Yung mga tao parang Duterte.
1 minute and 27 remaining in quarter number 3. Lucion puts it up, wala. And the leak out. And let's go, the Slamma Jamma from Ren Iliscas.
Woo! Mapapasigaw ka lang.
Back to the ball game tayo mga kaibigan. Mabilis ang timeout lang from the Impact Ballers kasi ngayon it's a 20-point lead.
Alam ko kasi ang rules natin parang 8 minutes lang.
Yeah.
Okay? Tapos sa finals na yung 10 or 12, tama ba?
Yes. 8-minute quarters. Sa playoffs na tayo, sa finals na tayo magto 10 minutes. Para noon mahabang ating finals as Pineda knocks down another 3-point shot. Nagliliyab ang kamay ni Pineda ngayon.
Parang may Chog Moral dito sa kabila, dito naman may Pineda.
Oo nga. Bringing the lead back to 17. Domingo thought about that 3. Will drive inside. Oh, nice no-look dish. Yun nga lang. Napasa sa kalaban.
Siyempre, shoutout natin, Madam Aisel ng Pampanga. Matinding coach yan, ha? Yung iba nagtataka, maganda si ma'am, pero coach, hindi nila alam talagang napaka-sports-minded ni Ma'am Aisel. Saka, siyempre, nandyan si Coach Alan Trinidad.
Yun, shout out. Thank you for supporting. Pampanga, Chog Moral, Pampanga's best
Totoo, sarap yun. Diba? Nabanggit ko yung Pampangas Best, nakaagutom.
Oh. As a last shot, wala nang shot clock dito. 10 seconds to go. Let's see if the Impact Ballers will finish out strong. They whip it to the corner. Tumira ng tres. Not that time. Put back at the buzzer. Does it count? Basket counts for two. Yun, ganda. Ng ating buzzer beater heading into quarter number 4. 68 to 51 heading into quarter number 4. Balik tayo after the break. Welcome back. You're watching the live coverage of Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase. Nasa fourth quarter na tayo ngayon between the J Project Boomers and Impact Ballers. And eto, the guys in blue starting off with the possession. And a steal, Johari Domingo running the break. And it's Ilescas! Yun nga lang, it's a traveling violation. Naparami yung hakbang ni Ren Ilescas. Na-dunk na sana pero traveling lang.
Pag nakabuelo kasi ang mga player na to, lalo na ganyang kalalaki, matik yan, you know?
Oo.
Dunk talaga eh.
Oo. But on the other end, Narca pushing the pace for the Impact Ballers. Nakatapik ang bola. Back outside.
Si Mundas, pag tinignan mo siya, akala mo mamana, no? Pero pag tinignan mo mukha, bata.
Oo.
Diba? Talagang may mga ganyang gip di ba? Ang lalaki, or matatangkad, malalapad yung katawan, bombo.
Oo.
Pero pagdating sa mukha, doon hindi madadaya eh.
Baby
Diba?
face.
Na baby talaga, na bata.
Pasok talaga sa 19 under.
Correct. Kasi iba natatakot eh. Bakit ganyan yung, ang tawag ba dyan? Yung mga legs niya or backdack ba yan? Kasi mga muscle. Pero pag tinignan mo na yung mukha, bata nga.
Oo. Eh grabe rin yung kanilang gym yung preparation nila. As a beautiful drive inside and a finish for Narca.
Grabe, tapang nun. Di ba?
Amongst the trees.
Ganun talaga. Kailangan mong magpakita ng ano mo rin. Alam mo yung kakayahan mo rin.
Oo. Pico, they swing it to the corner. 3-point shot. Wala. Fight for the rebound. Uy, naagawan. And the putback, wala pa rin. His third time the charm, wala pa rin. On that play.
Alam mo, naawa ko sa coach ng J Project ha. Alam mo bakit?
Bakit? Bakit,
Parang
boss?
hindi siya nahihirapan sa game eh. Nahihirapan siya kung sino yung mga ipapasok.
Oo. Magandang problema yun.
Di ba?
Kung papipiliin ka kung anong problema mo, yun na yun. Kasi yung score ganyan naman 68-53.
Parang kang nagkukot sa USA team. Diba?
Oo. Nung nanalo sila ng Olympics, parang sino bang papasok ko dito?
Correct. Pero may mga superstar na bangko pa.
Oo. Pero yung mga superstar, game rin sila na hindi sila yung main. Kaya sila superstar. Kasi ganun yung kanilang mindset.
Ayun na maganda eh. Pag player talaga na alam mo yung mindset mo, hindi yung pansarili mo, ang nainisip mo para sa team, talagang maganda yung kalabasan at talagang sisikat ka ng gusto.
That's right. That's Johari Domingo. 2 for 2 from the free throw line. And balik sa 17 ang Kalamangan with 6.5 minutes. Muntik nang ma-turnover doon. They throw it ahead. And the two-handed 2-foot layup is good for Justine Santos. Johari Domingo on the other end. Matapang na drive to the hoop.
Magaling yung bata na to. Di ba?
Sa depensa rin, malikot yung kamay. Sa opensa, he runs the offense, but Pineda on the other end, hot hand, yun nga lang, in and out of the rim.
Siyempre, pati ko muna mga taga Bye-Bye Leyte. Mayor Boying Curry. And siyempre yung mga member niya dyan, sa Administrator Junjun Kayunda, Congressman Curry, and ABC President Jules Lucas Curry. Siyempre, ang kapitan ng Barangay Santa Cruz, Kibol Israel. Mabuhay po kayo. Salamat sa support sa Sinag Liga Asia.
Yun, thank you very much nga for supporting Philippine basketball, especially at the youth level. Kagaya ng ganito, 19 under. As Narca will fire a 3. It rattles in.
Ano maganda? Laban eh. Laban eh. Alam mo, titira ako. Kahit na ganito yung lamang.
Oo.
Mali mo mahabol dahil fourth quarter pa, may 5 minutes
5 minutes pa. Ang haba pa yung 5 minutes na yan.
Oo, lalabas ko yung laro ko. Kasi mali mo, makachamba tayo.
Oo.
May pag-asa tayo. Hanggat hindi pa tapos yung oras, laban lang.
That's right. But on the other end, Arapok from downtown, gustong sumagot. He can't get it to go. Domingo, no look dish. Ang ganda ng pasa. Hurango won't get it to go. But he gets the offensive rebound. Itong si Johari Domingo.
Alam mo, nakakatawa yung bata na galing sa palarong pambansa, yung story nila, nagkukwento sila. Alam mo yung nakakatouch dahil yung mga batang nanonood ngayon, mapipili nila na may pag-asa talaga, basta magsikap ka lang.
Kasi sila rin noon nung hindi pa sila eligible para sa palaro, nanonood pa rin sila. Na-inspire rin sila sa story ng mga nauna.
Diba?
Oo.
Kaya tama yan sa mga nanonood ng live dito sa Sawang Kalero, sa nanonood ng live natin sa mga platform natin, YouTube, FB Live, mga channel natin, PTV4 Sports, saka yung cable link natin, manood lang po kayo at sumuporta si Nagliga Asia. Ganon din yung mga bata. Ma-inspire kayo sa mga player dito.
That's right. A breakaway layup. Timeout muna tayo from the Impact Ballers. 78-58 ang ating score. Balik tayo after this short break. Welcome back to the live coverage of Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase. As it has been a blowout so far. And 4 na minuto na lang until the final buzzer. And we're back to the ball game. Baka may gusto ka pang patiin, Boss Ray.
Ang galing mo talaga. Kami message lang ni Chairman Rocky Chan ng Sinaliga Asia. Nanonood si Senator Bongo.
Yun.
Maraming salamat, Senator Bongo. At ganoon din siyempre kay Vice Governor Pineda. Grabe support from day one ng Sinaliga Asia. Sinuporta na tayo ni Vice Governor Delta Pineda.
That's right. And speaking of Senator Bongo, he's one of the presenters of the Junior World Showcase. So maraming salamat, Senator Bongo, sa inyong suporta sa Philippine basketball at the youth level.
Yes, totoo yan. Maraming natutulungan si Senator Bongo sa Visayas, Mindanao, Luzon. Talagang lahat yan sinusuporta niya kahit sino. Kaya maraming salamat po, Sen.
That's right. As the fake, nice inside-out dribble. Fadeaway jumper is there. But Ejurango on the other end. David and Goliath situation. But a swarm of blue shirts. Balik sa labas kay Delica.
Parang hindi niya alam kung babanggain niya ba talaga dahil nakita niya maliit sa kanya.
But Nelwin Arapok from downtown swishes one through.
Matutuwa ka no?
Oo. Parang...
Hindi siya kagaya ng iba na babanggain ko to. Yun nga pala.
Oo. And we have a courtside report for this fourth quarter by Princess and Rode. Anong update dyan?
A double-digit lead stretch. The J Project Boomers are on a quest indeed to pull off a blowout win, as what head coach Phil Jimenez said pre-game. From the sidelines, however, he observed that while the players' skills are individually unquestionable, it is as if the players are not playing as a team right now. How's the Impact Ballers there, Rode?
Right here, Princess, a few minutes until the game ends, and even with numerous turnovers and losing transitions, Impact Ballers were told by head coach Luisan Buenaventura to play out with their hearts, even if this is a tough battle for them. He also added to give out one last push at huwag magpapadala ng takot. From the start, they've been giving their all. Now, will this be a story of victory for them or a story of loss? It's still anybody's game. Balik sa'yo, Boss Ray and Jericho.
Thank you very much, ladies. And yun nga, no? It's, sabi nga ng ating courtside reporters, Boss Ray, one last push, sabi ng coach ng Impact Ballers with 2 minutes left in the ball game. Kasi kahit pa paano, last push pa rin yung kailangan.
Totoo yun. Actually, pinagpahinga na nga yung mga star player ng J Project eh. Kahit na sabi mong pinagpahinga yung mga star player pa rin yun sa loob. Wala talagang paglalagyan.
Oo.
Kaya sa mga kalaban ng J Project, wow, talagang lahat sila excited din dahil gusto nila talagang maglabasan ng talent.
Oo, for the side of J Project naman, pahinga yung kanilang mga starters kasi malapit na yung ating playoffs.
Totoo yun. Sino ba naman ang hindi gusto makalaban yung mga ganito, di ba?
Oo.
Kahit ikaw, kunyari, nasa team ka ng kabila, excited ka makalaban yung mga
Oo.
ganito. Dahil siyempre, may matututunan ka sa kanila.
That's right. Tama ka dyan, Boss Ray, as we are under 90 seconds away from the final buzzer. Ryzen Boholano for 3. He wants to try it out. Wala. Pero offensive rebound pa rin sa J Project.
Pinaul na.
Oo, foul na. As,
1 minute 30 seconds na lang tayo. 85-60. Talagang magic na yan.
Oo.
Nahabol mo pa.
Oo. Bago pa tayo umabot sa final buzzer, Boss Ray, personally, gusto kong magpasalamat na nasamahan mo kami ngayon dito sa panel for this ball game. It's always a good time kapag kasama ka, makipagkwentuhan. Ikaw, Boss Ray, may gusto ka pang bang batiin or i-shout out?
Siyempre, maraming salamat sa Cebu City, kay Mayor, sa crowd, talagang kay Ma'am Hart, sa boyfriend niya na si anak ni General Mancao, siyempre. Thank you po sa support dito sa amin sa Cebu. Talagang, kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi namin magagawa to. Yung Witchin Cafe, ang mga ano natin, Three Woods, Sun Sports, J Project, Unisol, mabuhay ka. Talagang Nature Spring, lahat ng mga tumulong para maging maganda at successful ang Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase natin.
Yun, isang karangalan na makasama ang isang presidente ng Sinag Liga Asia, Boss Ray Alaw. As we are just waiting for the final buzzer, palabas na yung ating crowd kasi inaabangan na nila. Saan lalabas ito si Chog Moral?
Ano yun eh? Saan kaya lalabas ang isang Chog Moral?
Oo, dito ba sa ating left side or sa right ng ating Cebu City Sports Institute? And yeah, they're going to dribble it out. And wait, may isang tres pa kay San Buenaventura para ma-minus yung konti ang kalamangan. But that is it. Thank you very much, Boss Ray Alaw, once again, the president of Sinag Liga Asia, for joining us in the panel. And
Yes.
that is it.
Isang karangalan na makasama ka rin. Ang galing mo. Tapos, gwapo pa.
Yun, salamat. And that is our final score after 4. Yan ang ating 85 to 63. The J Project Boomers take away this victory in dominating fashion. Anong masasabi mo about sa laro, Boss Ray?